Sawadika, welcome to Mod's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making turmeric and lemongrass chicken wing. It is so simple, it's just few ingredients. You can really make it at home. This is one of my favorite dishes when I was a little one. My dad loved making this for me because it made me eat a lot. Right, without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm preparing my lemongrass. I am going to just use the bottom half of them because the top bits, they tend to be tougher, but I still keep them in the freezer because it's going to be useful for my tom yum soup sometime in the future. So now I am going to just cut my lemongrass into pieces like this. Next, I am preparing turmeric. They are little, but they are super powerful. They smell nice and they give such a lovely color to my chicken wings as well. Then I am going to crush my lemongrass with chili and salt. I'm adding my turmeric in. I add it in later on just because it's easier to crush. Oops, my hand is a bit yellow. I must say that you have to be careful when you use turmeric because it can turn everything into yellow. Now I have got my lovely paste. I don't have any little chunk from the turmeric anymore. So this is ready. Here we go. We have come to the fun time now. I am going to just throw my paste in my chicken wing and I am going to give it a lovely rub for a couple of minutes. My goodness, my wings have sort of lovely earthy smell and look at the color, they are just so pretty. I am going to put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes just to let them marinate. And now you know what? I have got the best hand spa ever. Now I'm putting the chicken wings in the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Here we go, the wings are ready to serve. The perfect combination between lemongrass and the turmeric give these wings such a refreshing smell, the earthy sort of smell. An exciting time, let's have a look at it now. Yes, this is what I really want. And I think now I am going to just have a bite and let's see what it's like. They are so aromatic. This is just so beautiful. I have sort of refreshing smell as well from the turmeric and lemongrass, and I also have a little kick from the chili as well. It is a little bit salty, so I really need my rice right now. I will see you next video. Bon appetit everyone! สวัสดีค่ะ